Alright guys, and yet another attempt to try and find an angle where you can see the lock I'm working on and I can actually get feedback from the lock. We're going to try this new setup. This is another challenge lock from Steel Pinnings. If you aren't subscribed to his channel, you should go check it out. This is a Schlag. The name of it is Twist and Shout. Of course, it works very smoothly. Here's what the key looks like. I'm going to be using a pry bar in 50 thousandths and my short hook from the Praxis kit. Now I'm hoping, if I don't hit the camera, that this will allow you to actually see what I'm working on and see all the slight movements on the core. I don't know, I feel like I don't get as much feedback because I'm having to hold my short hook a little weird. Let's see if I can... Yeah, normally how I hold it I get great feedback, but I'm trying to do this around the camera. Oh, that was crunchy. Yeah, I'm not loving this angle either. It's working a little bit though. It's just I feel like how I'm holding it. I'm not using a lot of finesse with this. Because it is a challenge lock, that's exactly what I need to have. Oh, dropped into a little bit of a false set. Hopefully you can see that. Oh, sorry about that. Getting slight counter rotation. Oop, fantastic. Just a second. I don't think I've lost it. Okay, I haven't lost it. Alright, here we go. Need to find a way to not hit the camera. I could get my thumb out of the way as well. I'm alternating between looking at the lock and looking at the screen on the camera to make sure that you can actually see this. Maybe if I do it more there. I'm gonna let off one click. Never mind, no I'm not. Guess I haven't set anything since that false set, it's just hanging in there. Alright, here we go. There we go, okay. I got counter rotation, and I know that means I'm close. Right. Okay, there we go. Oh no, I don't have my screwdriver handy. Ah! Alright. I'm gonna go grab a screwdriver really quickly. I wasn't a huge fan of that angle. You guys will have to let me know in the comments if you liked it more, if you could see more. Man, I need to find a way to where you can see the lock clearly and I can hold my lockpick there that I'm used to so I can get it. Oh, sorry, don't. Leave it in frame. That's right. #1 rule, guys. Sorry about that. What was I saying? Yeah. Where I can hold it how I'm used to so that way it's not weird. And... Oh. I'm all over the place, guys. Sorry about that. Hold the lockpick in a way that I can get the feedback that I need, and yet also so you can see it. This last way worked. I think you could probably see it a lot clearer than you normally could with my other videos, at least. Oh, I turned that upside down when I was... There we go. Okay. Oh no. There we go. Oh, whew. Thought I lost it there for a second. Alright. Here's what we have. Not seeing any modifications. There we go. Standard in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I recently did a trade with Steel Pinnings, and I let him know that I was running low on challenge locks, so I think he recently made these probably just to help me out, so I really appreciate that. This is the front. Okay, hold it in frame. This is trickier than I remember. Got a nice spool in 1. Ooh, beauty. That is an asset right there. That's a beautiful one. And the spring came out of 1. I'll grab the springs at the end. No, I'll grab them now. Might as well. It's the spring from 2. Ooh, that's a pretty one as well. Let's knock out that spring. I'm not sure where I'm holding it. Beautiful homemade serrations. That's beautiful. Another, the same kind of spring. I don't know if they're brass. They're kind of dirty, so it's hard to see exactly what I'm looking at. Going in from the back. What are you? Little Christmas tree one. Okay. And that was oriented like that. That's a really nice one as well. Keep forgetting to... Alright, I keep forgetting where the camera is angled. Sorry about that, guys. And last but not least, number 4. Light serrations? Yeah, very light serrations. And the spring in that one is the same. Let's look here, look here. No modifications. No modifications there as well. So, twist and shout. Here is what we were dealing with. You got a nice homemade spool. Here we have one of the asas that are just beautiful. We have this beautiful serrated, one of slight serrations, and then this Christmas tree. Alright, hopefully you could see that. Hopefully by, I don't know if it's lack of preparation or what, but I was kind of all over the place with this video. But let me know if you like that angle. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.